Hello, it's Wednesday, February 23rd, and I want to make sure you're aware that I've scheduled a live meeting for Thursday night, and the link is right here in this week's module. The meeting starts at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you're not sure what that is in your time zone, just click on the link, and as long as the meeting hasn't started yet, it should open up and tell you the meeting's not yet available. It's loading very slowly right now. There it is. So it says the meeting hasn't started yet and that you should try February 24th, and it'll show the time in your time zone. So I'm in Eastern time. It tells me it's at 9 p.m. If you're on Central time, it should say 8 p.m. If you're Mountain time or Phoenix time, it would be 7 p.m. And if you're on West Coast time, Pacific time, it would say 6 p.m. So take a look at that. Again, it's an optional meeting. You don't have to attend, but the meetings go much better if I have a few students at least participating. And if you go under learning activities, I've added a collision lab. So take a look at that. That'll help you visualize elastic and inelastic collisions. And we can talk about this and other things during Thursday night's meeting. And I hope to see you then.